What is up? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Today's video, y'all, is brought to you in part by DoColor. I will have their name here, or I will have it down below with the link of where you can check them out, as well as all their social media information. So they have sent me, little old me, some brushes. At least I'm thinking it's brushes. I don't know. They ain't say what they were sending me. I didn't even, you know. But I want to say thank you to DoColor for sending me this. It came in this little package here, and it came bubble wrapped. Make sure it was nice and secured. So let's get this bad boy open. This looks like it's a brush set. And it is a brush set. It is a 16-piece brush set. It is wrapped up in plastic again for their safety and protection. And this is what the box looks like. Look at that. I'm about to do a look with these colors. You're inspiring me. Go ahead, DoColors. Alright, let's get this bad boy open, because we are going to use this in our next video. Okay, so this is what the outside box looks like here. It is green and blue and lavender or lilac, whatever you want to say, or lime green, yellowish kind of color. On the outside, it says DoColor. I'm going to say DoColor. And this is what the back looks like here. This is their fantasy set. And it tells you all the numbers and the names and what the brushes are used for. And here it has their social media icons, so I will have those all down below in the description box. So yeah, these are synthetic fiber aluminum tube plastic handle. It says this is a DoColor Fantasy 16-piece brushes collection made of high density synthetic fiber hair, soft and silky, suitable for even sensitive skin. Each brush is shaped carefully for its function. So yeah, you guys, we are going to be reviewing, demoing, first impression in it. That's not a word, but I made it one today. Okay, so here it says affordable top brand quality for everyone, and this is 30 years of experience. And it basically just tell you brush care tips, how to clean the brushes, all in different languages. So got that there. And on the inside it's just nice and plastic wrap of all the brushes, y'all. And one good thing about it that I have never seen before is that they are all brush guarded. They have brush guards on majority of them. And by brush guards, what I mean, I'm guessing these are for the bigger ones to make more space, but it has this netting on it, as y'all can see here. And this is just so they won't mess up or fly everywhere. But this is the, let me take them all out. These are so pretty. I tell you no lie. These are some pretty brushes, okay? So these are what all the brushes looks like here. So just like the color of the box, it looks like it's glitter. Let me feel the brush handle. It's a smooth texture. It's not bumpy, so the glitter is not out there. And it has the name there. Then the brush guard in pink and white. We're going to take this off. And this is what the first brush looks like. This is 01. This is the powder brush. So yeah, what I'm going to do now. Ooh, this is so soft. Oh my god. This is so soft, y'all. Oh my god. Yeah. Y'all, this makes me feel some type of way. This is brushgasm. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to unwrap all the rest of these because I know y'all don't want to hear. Y'all don't want to hear all that throughout the video. So I'm going to open up all of these, and then I'm going to show y'all one by one what they are, what they look like, and we'll get back to it.
I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
Okay, so we're gonna go from order 1 to 16. Since there are 16 pieces, I'm trying to make this as quick as possible because I don't want this video to be too long, because I do have a makeup tutorial to film using these brushes. So yeah, okay, so the first brush is this big powder brush, as y'all seen in the first clip. It looks like this, nice and pink and white, and this is smooth. It doesn't feel glittery at all, but it looks glittery. You know what I'm saying? It has that texture and effect. So this is the powder brush. I would probably use this for applying blush or as an all over face setting, you know, powder thing. Okay. So then the next brush that we have is the 02 brush. It looks like this. It's just a nice flat kabuki brush, and that's exactly what it is. It's a 02 flat kabuki brush, and I would use this to either blend out my concealer or my highlight or my contour, or I would use this to apply my foundation all over the face. So this is the 02 flat kabuki brush, and that is soft too, but it's dense, so it's not gonna move around. It's dense. For the third one, number three is a highlight brush, and it looks just like this. And I would probably use it just for what it says, to highlight my face with, because right now this is the brush that I use. This is the Morphe one, and it's kind of the same, but this one has more hair in it, more bristles in it. So, but yeah, I can see that. I got it. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this for my highlight, since this is the highlight brush. Number 4, which is probably gonna be my favorite brush out of the whole thing, is the concealer brush. This is 04. This is the concealer brush. It looks like this. Nice and flat, or you can get it flat. Y'all know what y'all know me. Y'all know what I'm gonna use this for. I would use this for cutting my crease. Cutting my crease. This is a nice cut crease brush. So that's exactly what I would use the 04 Fantasy Brush Collection for. Okay, so we have number 5. Number 5 is an eyeshadow brush, which I would use it for what? Eyeshadow. So we have the eyeshadow brush, nice and densely packed in there, so it could pack in color and place it right up on wherever you need to place it up under. I wouldn't use that for that one, but put it on the lids or whatever. So that is the 05. 06, I would use this for blending. It looks like this. Nice little blending brush. Use it for my crease, to blend into the crease. Let me see what it says it's used for. Oh, girl, you on point. This is the 06 blending eyeshadow brush. So like I said, I'll use it to blend in my eyeshadow in my crease mainly. So because it's nice and small, so that's what I would use that one for. This is number 7, and this is just a flat definer brush, but I would use this for either cleaning up my brows, getting up in there, or I would use it to smudge my eyeshadow to my bottom lashes, because I feel like this one, it densely packs it. So that's what I would use this one for, and that's the 07. The 08 brush is just the angled brush, flat angled brush, and I would use that to carve out my brows. I need to clean up my brows while I'm at it. Okay, and number 8 is the angled eyeliner brush, or you can use it for eyeliner. Okay, but that's not what I'll use it for, because I don't use gel liner. Okay, so for number 9 is this brush right here. I don't know what I would use this one for. Probably my inner corner highlight or something like that, or to clean up my cut creases. But this is supposed to be a lip brush, but I don't use lipsticks like that or have clients, so I'll like to use this as an inner tear duct highlight brush. Okay. This is number 10, and this is just a spoolie brush, brown glass brush. Y'all know what a spoolie looks like. This is their spoolie brush. Number 11 is the angled blush brush. So if you want to apply blush, just go right here. Pat, 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 blend it. So this is what that one is. Then number 12 is similar. Number 12 is the contour brush. It looks like this, and it actually has an angle as well. So you use it to do the contour all over the face. I don't know about the nose. This one is too soft for my nose, so I wouldn't use that. But this one I might. This one is the Smokey Brush. Never heard of a Smokey Brush, but this is what this one looks like. I don't know what I would use that for. I would probably use this to blend out my contour on my nose. That's all that I could think of right now, because this is huge. I wouldn't put it on my eyeshadow. On my eyeshadow, I wouldn't use it for that. But yeah, for now, I'll just use it to blend out my nose contour. Got it. And we have the... What number was that? 13? Alright. Was that 13? Yes, that was 13. We up to 14. 14 is a lip liner brush. Lip liner brush. It looks like this. And once again, I'll probably just use it for my under eye. Get really detailed and up in there. Number 15 is an eyeshadow brush, which is again for eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow brush. And lastly, we have number 16, which is the angled eyeshadow brush. I have to make sure I was reading that right, because this one is huge for eyeshadow. So maybe again, if you want to blend out the edges or whatever, you can blend out the creases all the way out there and stuff. But yeah, these are all the brushes that I received from DoColor. I'm gonna say DoColor, okay? If I'm wrong, please let me know. And I do apologize in advance. But these are all the brushes that I got from DoColor. The brushes. These are my brushes. I got so many brushes, y'all. It don't make no sense. Makes no sense. But I love them all. They're mine. And I create magic with them. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys like. If y'all do like, let me know. Let me know if y'all thinking about purchasing them down below in the comment box. Okay, because these are gorgeous. I think I will have the price listed down below in the description box, as well as the link for them. If I have a coupon code or a discount code, it will be down below. I will have their social media. So once again, thank you DoColor for allowing me this opportunity to review, demo, first impression these brushes. Hope to work with you again soon. Until next time, y'all guys, don't forget, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video from me, Glamplified Beauty. Until next time, y'all.
Make that money throw